Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a volume pedal mod on the Crybaby Mini. For this mod, all we need is a mini on toggle switch. This one is a double pole, double throw, but we really only need a single pole, double throw. And the capacitor will be optional. This is a 4.7 UF capacitor. You can reuse the capacitor in the Crybaby, but it's a lot easier just working with new parts. The first thing we're going to do is remove the circuit from the housing, and we're going to unsolder and remove that little capacitor right there. If you're looking at the board like this, the left side is the negative and the right side is the positive. Alright, when you remove it, it should look blank like that. Next, we're going to get our capacitor. When you're looking at a capacitor, the long stem is the positive and the short stem is the negative. And the negative is also usually marked by a stripe of some sort. What I'm going to do is bend the lug of the positive like that. And then I'm going to bend the lug of the negative like that. I'm going to clip the positive side and add a wire to it. Alright, your capacitor should look like that. A lead wire on the positive side and the negative just bent down like that. We're going to get the negative stem and put it on the left hole. And it should look something like that. We'll solder that in. And we're going to take another wire and put it on the right hole. Something like that. We'll solder that in there. Next, we're going to get our on-off switch, and we're going to solder a wire to the center lug like that, and the other wire to the top lug like that. Now, it doesn't matter which wire goes which because they're going to be just touching and disconnecting on the switch. Alright, your switch should look something like that. One wire to the center lug and another wire to the top lug. And that is the volume pedal mod. All that's left to do is to put it back together and test it out. Wow.